guys, welcome back to my channel. You're very much welcome.
Ain't nobody but
So guys, for today's video I'm going to be trying new product are the products I have, like, you know, recently, less than a month. So I'm going to be trying them out all in this video today. First things first, I just want to plump my lips, and I'm going to be trying this new product from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is their lip plump kiss assist. I love the smell. I definitely love the smell of it, but it feels so sticky, and I don't like sticky lipstick or sticky gloss. I can feel a tingling sensation on my lips, like a pepper spray or like a meat sensation. Is the Juvies Place Zulu eyeshadow palette, and this is my first time trying out this product. I tried their foundation and their face base makeup a bit of last month. That's probably my last video before this one, and I just, you know what, probably let me give the eyeshadow a try because everyone loves the eyeshadow. It's the formula, the pigment. So this is my first time trying it. Oh my god, look at these colors. I'm gonna play with these colors today. This is the reason I picked this palette, because of this color. It kind of like speaking my inner artist out. I feel like a lot of people use concealer as a eyeshadow primer, and I've done it in the past, but I wasn't really a fan of it and I did continue doing it. However, it's not like a really top thing that people do now. Eye primer is designed to be for eyeshadow and eye primer alone, and concealer is designed to be for the base of the face and underneath the eye, but putting it like on top of the hair lid and it works. I don't really know how that works. So I'm going to be using the Juvies Place concealer in number 12. Don't know if I'm doing this correctly, because oh shit, guys, have you seen my lips? It's gone bigger. Oh shit, that really works. Sorry, let me. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's actually #fail, because this concealer is really of a liquidy base. It's not like a creamy base like I like on my eyelid. You know, it's just #fail for me. So to correct these, I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Finish concealer in NC45. This is a really creamy eye base concealer. This is what I use a lot for my eyelid. So creamy. So yeah, so I'm gonna just blend the eye base out. Honestly, I wasn't expecting my lips to be 2 times the size, but it has actually gone bigger, wider, plump. Nah, I'm not gonna joke with this now. This is the real deal. I should probably use my P. Louise base as my eyeshadow primer, but for today I'm gonna go a bit frisky. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas in Halo, which is really like a white shade. I want to test this. Probably just make the wrong decision of my life right now, and I just need to blend it out. Oh, this is not gonna work, baby. Come to the rescue. I don't know, from the start I feel like this video is already a fail. Yes, so I'm gonna blend that out with a normal size blender brush. That is how I can get my height to be. I'm seriously hot. Like, this is why I don't film, because of the heat this light generates here. You guys don't know. Okay, right now I don't know what eye look I want to go for, honestly, but I'm just gonna try and do one side of my eyes first. Oh, I'm gonna be taking that purple shade that just grabbed my attention. Just pack it on the outer edge of my lid. Yeah, so first impression first, the pigment is there. Honestly, use this orange shade on top of it. Like I said, guys, I really don't know what I'm doing. We're just doing something nice to play with this palette. So this will be kind of our Crease shade. So I'm gonna use to blend that purple edges out. Make sure they diffuse together. Blending that purple and orange together is giving me like a very brown shade. So I use this first, then I use this to blend out the purple, and I'm taking this yellow now to actually blend out the orange. can see on the brush. As much as I want to feel this, I am not feeling it. Maybe it's because of the way I did the primer base, but I am not actually feeling this look. It's too messy. But you know, makeup is messy at the beginning, but at the end is like, oh my god, how did you do that? So I'm just gonna keep an open mind about this look. So I'll go back here with the orange. Oh, the orange is lost in the yellow, and I'll go back with purple, bring it back to life again. So I feel like blending wise this is okay. So I decided to just finish one side of my hair and focus on this side with you guys. I'm gonna take a bit of P. Louise base in Rumor number 5 with a middle shade right here to set the lid. I think for a good reason, me obviously doing my eyes first, I can see a lot of fallout from the shimmer on my face, and that is really not good. So next we're gonna go for our next new product, which is a foundation. I've heard good things and so much about this foundation, and this product is a black-owned makeup. However, I have primed my face already, and this is no other product than the uoma beauty. To me, like an African way of pronouncing an African name, I would call this product uoma, but in the English way of pronouncing this product, the U is silent, so you call it uoma beauty. And this is their Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. 99% of people found the perfect shade match. 95% said it's second skin or lightweight, dermatologically tested, paraben free, D3D, FYN free, tack free, cruelty free, and vegan free, and also got the ingredients of this foundation. So according to what I've just read, this is a matte finish weightless lightweight foundation. So I'm just checking the website now, and this comes in 6 different categories. The foundation in total is 51 shades. This is lovely. It's just like top the Fenty beauty up, you know. So this 6 category consists of black pearl, which is a very deepest dark skin, and we got brown sugar, which is a deep dark skin, and we got bronze Venus, which is a dark skin, and we got honey, more like a medium skin, and we got fair lady, like medium fair. We got white pearl, those are like the fair to the whitish, you know, people out there, and I believe this is how I am explaining this video right now. So it's categorized between T1, T2, T3 and T4, and those T1, T2, T3 have a either cool, warm or neutral undertone. My shade is the bronze Venus, and this is T2N. So T2 neutral, T2N bronze Venus. This is a rich tone for a rich tan skin. So this is retail in the US for about $39 and in the UK for £29.50. I think that's a very good deal as a foundation, and this is a black owned makeup product. Ooh. Honestly, I really love the packaging. The bottle, really nice. This is a high-Z glass bottle, very portable. It looks expensive and it is expensive. You can get this at Beauty Bay, and also you can get it at Selfridges in central London. So it said shake very well before using, obviously, and each foundation you do get comes with a different capping, and this cap is a bit of like a yellowish cap, so yellow, not yellowish, but you know, you get the drift. So you can either unscrew it to just apply your foundation like that, or you can have it through the pump, which, ooh, pop right out. Did I get the right shade? Did I not? But this is not bad. So I'm just gonna go ahead to apply this on my face now, and this is said to be full coverage too. It is matte finish, lightweight. I can see it's very light, and you see it's straight on drying onto my face right now. Damn, I look pale AF. I look pale, but in the camera it's like it's actually drying down to my skin tone. That is the way I can see it, but I kind of look pale. So I'm just gonna hide a little bit more for the rest of my face, you know. kind of like a very sticky foundation. You know, I have to keep on pulling. Although this is like a lightweight kind of, but it's like I have to pull. Sets to be like for oily to combination skin, and I am combination to dry skin, you know, and I do have hyperpigmentation, eye herbs that covers. It does have a nice smell to it, and I cannot pinpoint I get that smell from. And you see that it's from like a setting spray kind of smell. So I'm just gonna layer this up to give me my desired coverage. You know, I like full coverage. We must be full. I feel like the face is coming together. It is drying, but it's not like fully drying to matte. But when you blend, it feels as if your face is constricted. It's drying to my undertone, because that's what I can see now. My chest is like matching to my face. First impression, I like it. And yes, I did not get the concealer, and my concealer I'm going to be using is a Juvies Place concealer in number 12. I really love this. This is like a golden warm golden tone concealer. So I'm just gonna contour, and the shade I'll be using is number 7, also concealer from Juvies Place. I really love the applicator doe foot. So while I'm contouring, I am gonna leave that concealer underneath my eye to kind of set a little bit, blend out a little bit of the contour first, then go ahead and blend out concealer before it dries down, and come back to blend out the contour again. Oh, I really love this shade. I'm gonna go ahead to blend this. Honestly, I feel like I put too much concealer, so I'm just gonna go back again to blend my contour out because, and I'm blending to my concealer. Oh god, guys, I love this concealer with this foundation. Like, look at how flawless our bronzer look. Oh my god, I was even trying to even add a little bit of my Fenty to brighten my face, but no, I don't think I need that because I am good. I am good. Oh my god. To set the face, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty powder, and this is the shade Cashew, and this is the mini powder. And again, I'm going to be mixing it with the Juvies Place setting powder in Gobi. So Gobi is going to set the rest of my face, and Cashew probably might be my under eye highlight. I've heard that Cashew is really good. The first powder I have from Fenty was a bit too golden for me, so, and I like the fact that it comes in mini. Ooh, I really love this finish. You know, one thing I like about this concealer and contour is like they're not mattifying, so they won't dry my face down like the foundation would. This is for all over the face. Look at that. This Cashew is very, I don't know, I'm used to using a beauty blender to set my face with powder, but today I'm going to use a brush to set my under eye. So before I do that, let me blend one side first. Although Cashew is good, but I feel like Cashew is not for me, so Cashew actually just take away the highlight from my face. So I'm setting my face with the Gobi powder. I'm gonna save this look with this Sahara from Juvies Place. It's a really beige shade color. See the way Sahara just take my face to another level. Quickly let this sit on the face. I'm gonna brush my face while my face is baking, so I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Coconutty bronzer. You see, I've only used it once and it's still intact. Like, I feel like this can also serve as my contour. Ooh, I love that feeling. So guys, I am just gonna go ahead to finish the rest of the face. Dust off the powder, highlight spray, finish up our hair look, and we'll be back. this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial because I did. And let's break down our product we did try today. The new product we try is this Zulu palette from Juvies place. There's so much good talks about this product, like there's so much hype about these eyeshadows, is that they are really pigmented, blah blah blah. I kind of like struggle to put that on my lid. I don't know if it's from the beginning of me putting my eye base on. It's not that full on pack on eyeshadow I'm expecting. Morphe X James Charles palette. You can see that palette immediately, one touch here is pigmented before you go out and blend it. So I didn't really feel it in this palette. So I'm not gonna say it's a pass. Yeah, I will keep on using it. I can say I feel like it's a good product. I can work with it, you know, create something nice with it. This Uoma Beauty foundation, I must say I'm really in love. It kind of dry dance to my undertone, and it kind of make me look actually beautiful and sexy, because it's night time and I'm not actually going out, so I don't know the real look in the sunlight, in the daylight. The other thing I can tell is from my lightning right here. That's what I can tell. I feel like this product is good. Yes, it's a pass for me, definitely pass for me, but I'll definitely go in store to try out more shades to see if I'm gonna like another one or if I'm just gonna stick with this. So I definitely love this, and I think I'm gonna be purchasing the concealer in the near future. So I love my concealers from Juvies place, my powder. I'm so happy. This is the second time I'm trying this product, and I'm so impressed of the number I picked, and I'm so happy. This is my current go-to concealer from now on, and I love it so much. And the last thing that is new to my collection, I think I use a lot of things new and I've kept them, so the last thing that is new to my collection is this Fenty Beauty bronzer. I really love that this packaging, it comes in like bronzy gold packaging, and this is coconutty, and I really love the shade. It's not too dark. This is second to the darkest shade. Darkest shade is Coco Mami. And for the powder, cashew, I feel I still need to buy the shade called banana, because I just feel like, you know, cashew make my under eye not bright, it actually make my under eye very dull, and that is not what I like in terms of when I bake my face, because what's the point of using a lighter concealer only to, you know, cancel out the lightness and make it dull? So I like to go for like a shade of powder like the Laura Mercier powder. You know, that's when I did save the powder with the Sahara from Juvies place, and this is what our look is right now. This is so portable. I'm really in love. So thank you guys. That's it, the end of trying out our new product using with a new technique. And for my lip, I use the Shayla S Color Pop Heat Up, and I say voila. Yes, I'm gonna be using my backdrop more often now, and I stopped using it over 2 years now, so I'm gonna get back on using all my black backdrops again. And for this theme of this month is orange. Okay.